Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube video. Today we are going to talk about initialization. Before you can use a tool in your code, you have to build it first. That process is called initialization. It's the birth of a new object in your program. Like we can see, a blueprint helps us to build a real 3D house. And think of it like unboxing a new phone. It exists as a model in the store, but it's not your phone until you turn it on and set your wallpaper and password. That setup is initialization. In Swift, we initialize by calling the type name followed by parentheses. This triggers a special method called init, which prepares the object for work. Initialization isn't just about creating, it's about setting initial values. You ensure every property, like a character's name or a game's starting score, has a value before the code starts running. We do this for safety. It prevents the computer from trying to use a ghost object that doesn't have its data ready yet. Initialize your objects correctly and your code will always have a solid foundation. Thank you for watching this video and we hope to see you again in next topic.